नमस्ते। आई थिंक आप सब लोगों ने देखा होगा कि रिसेंटली अगस्त्या 18 साल का हुआ। इट्स अ बिग माइलस्टोन फॉर अ मदर एंड ऑफ कोर्स फॉर अ चाइल्ड। हमने सोचा कि पार्टीज तो होती रहेंगी, क्यों ना कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल करें जिससे वो हमेशा याद रखे। तो हमारी पूरी फैमिली चिन्मय मिशन की फॉलोअर है। स्वामी चिन्मयानंदा खुद हमारे घर आए हुए हैं एंड अब हम स्वामी स्वात्मानंद जी को बहुत सालों से फॉलो कर रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट जब अगस्त्या छोटा सा बेबी था, फिर जब वो 1 साल का हुआ, 5 साल का हुआ, 10 साल का हुआ, उसके हर छोटे से बड़े माइलस्टोन में स्वामी जी हमारे घर आए और छोटी सी पूजा की है। बट आई डिड नॉट वांट टू कीप अ रेगुलर पूजा दिस टाइम। मैं एक टॉक रखना चाहती थी जिससे अगस्त्या को कॉन्फिडेंस मिले, थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस मिले, वो उत्साहित हो, क्योंकि अब वो एडल्टहुड में जा रहा है, उसे आगे जाके बहुत कुछ करना है। एंड ऑल आई टोल्ड स्वामी जी इसकी कुछ ऐसा बोलिए कि ना ही अगस्त्या पर जो हमारे क्लोज फैमिली फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्हें हमने अपने घर पे बुलाया था इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, उन्हें भी कुछ ऐसा मिले which they can keep close to their heart. तो स्वामी जी ने एक बहुत ही प्यारा टॉक दिया, but what stole everyone's hearts, including Agastya, is this poem, this little birthday wish that he himself made for my Agastya. उसके शब्द इतने सुंदर हैं and they literally अभी भी मैं बात कर रही हूँ and I'm getting goosebumps. I didn't want to keep it just to myself. मैं चाहती थी आप सब सुने because अगस्त्या मेरा बेटा है, बट वहाँ और भी बहुत टीनेजर्स हैं who are just like my children and I would love everybody to benefit from these words. So I hope you enjoy what Swamiji had to say and I hope just like us, even you feel inspired.
Hari Om. One of our Balvihar children, Agastya Raichand, who is very dear to me, he turned 18 recently. If Krishna had to advise him on his 18th birthday, what would Bhagwan tell him based on the Bhagavad Gita? My dear Agastya, Hari Om. Today, as you step into the world as an adult, the world will tell you that you are now free. But real freedom begins only when you learn to rule your own mind. 18 years have passed in a blink, and now the world opens before you like a vast playing field. But before you begin the next match of life, let me tell you a few secrets that no coach will ever teach. First, you are not small. You were never born and you will never die. You are the eternal light that simply wears a body for a while. You are not just a body built by strength or a mind sharpened by logic. You are the eternal player, the consciousness that never gets injured, never tires, never fades. Bhagavad Gita 2.12, 2.20. Don't let the noise of others drown your voice. Walk your own path. Even if it's uncertain, even if you stumble. For your Swadharma, your own duty, is worth more than imitating the perfection of another. Play your game, but play it your way. Even if you miss a few goals, it is better than living someone else's script perfectly. Follow your Swadharma, your own path, even when it's uncertain. Swadharme nidhanam shreyaha, Gita 3.35. Third, there will be days when your mind rebels, pulling you towards distractions, fears and desires. When that happens, lift yourself by your own higher self. Be your best friend, not your worst enemy. Uddhared atmana atmanam, na atmanam avasadayet. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu, atmaiva ripuratmanaha. Gita 6.5. Fourth, keep your body strong, Agastya, but keep your mind stronger. When anger, laziness or doubt arise, treat them like opponents. Face them with focus and discipline. Gita chapter 14. Fifth, you love competition. That's good. But remember what I once told Arjun. You have control only over your effort, not the outcome. So play, train and strive with your full heart. And whether you win or lose, walk off the field with peace. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Gita 2.47. There will be days of victory and days of defeat. Smile at both. Because real champions do not depend on the scoreboard. They stay balanced, humble and calm. That calmness, Agastya, is called yoga. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Gita 2.48. Seventh, you will inspire many, not merely by your words, but by how you live, how you treat others, and how you get up after falling. Yad yad acharati shresthaha tattadeva itaro janaha. Sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanuvartate. Gita 3.21. Eighth, whatever you do, your training, studies, friendships, laughter, offer it all to me, to something higher than ego, the highest being the self in your heart. Then even your smallest act becomes sacred. Yat karoshi yadashnasi, yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tad kurushva madarpanam. Gita 9.27. Ninth, and if ever life feels confusing, when you do not know which way to go, just close your eyes and call me. I am always with you in your heart, whispering courage. Let go of worry, I'll take care of the rest. Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam vraja. Aham tva sarva papebhya mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Gita 18.66. So go, Agastya. Run freely, think deeply, love fiercely, and live nobly. You are meant not just to win medals, but to shine as light itself. Be strong, be kind, be true, and I will run beside you always. With eternal love, Krishna.